Learning Python is about learning three things. The first is the syntax of Python. You know the syntax when you know that, for example, to create a list, you should use square brackets, and the list items are divided by commas. And you know that to call a function, such as the sum function, you need to use this round parentheses, and so on. The second thing is to know the proper data structure for your particular scenario. For example, you wanted to calculate student grades. What is the best data structure? Is it a list or is it a dictionary? A dictionary is another type that I'm going to explain in the next lecture. So you should use the proper data structure to store your data. And the third thing is you should know the algorithms. So to calculate the mean, what do you need? This is a very simple algorithm, and in the beginning you'll have a hard time finding the proper functions, what to use for the sum, what to use to count the objects of an array, of a list, for example. But I showed you how to check for that using the dir and the help function, and that's pretty much it. It's a slow process, but you have to be patient, and with time you'll be very surprised how good you're going to get.